Hello and welcome, my amazing friends. Today, we are going to talk about something that can truly change the way you speak English. Not just speaking, but sounding natural, sounding confident, and sounding like someone people enjoy listening to. Imagine speaking English and people understand you easily. Imagine speaking and feeling proud, not nervous. That is exactly what we are going to build together today. So stay with me, stay focused, because this lesson can transform your voice, your confidence, and your future. Now let us talk about the real problem. Many learners can speak English. They know words, they know grammar, they can make sentences, but when they speak, something feels off. Their accent sounds heavy. Their pronunciation is not clear. Their speaking feels slow or unnatural. Because of this, they feel shy. They feel nervous. Sometimes they avoid speaking. They think people will not understand them. They lose confidence. And this is painful because they know English, but they cannot express it in a strong way. Now, listen carefully. I want you to change one belief today. Accent is not about being perfect. Accent is not about copying someone completely. Accent is about being clear, natural, and confident. And here is the most important truth. This is not a talent. This is a skill. And any skill can be learned with practice. If you train your mouth, your ears, and your habits, your accent will improve. Slowly, step by step, you will sound better. You will feel better. You will become more confident. Today, I will show you simple and practical techniques. No confusion, no difficult rules, only real methods that you can start today. If you follow these daily, your pronunciation will improve, your speaking will become smoother, and your confidence will grow. Now, let us begin. Trick 1. Train the American R sound. This sound is very important. If your R sound is strong and clear, your accent improves quickly. In American English, R is always pronounced clearly. It is not silent, it is not weak. For example, the word car. Say it slowly. Car. You hear the R at the end, not ka, but car. Another word, better. You hear the R sound, better. Now practice like this. First say single words. Car, far, more, better, work. Say them slowly. Focus on the R sound. Feel your tongue moving slightly back. Then use sentences. I work very hard. This is better for me. Repeat again and again. At first, it feels strange. This is normal. Your mouth is learning something new. Keep going, and it will become natural. Trick 2. Link your words. This is a big secret. Many learners speak word by word. I want to go to the market. It sounds slow. It sounds robotic. But native speakers connect words. They speak smoothly. I want to go becomes I want to go. Did you eat becomes did you eat? When you link words, your speaking becomes faster and more natural. Practice step by step. Take a sentence. I want to go home. First, say slowly. Then, connect. I want to go home. Repeat 10 times. Then say faster. Do not force it. Let it become natural with practice. This will improve your fluency quickly. Trick 3. Open your mouth more. Many learners speak with a closed mouth. The sound becomes small and unclear. American English uses open vowel sounds. This means your mouth opens more. For example, the word man, say it with a bigger sound. Man, open your mouth. Another word, cat. Stretch the sound slightly. Practice in front of a mirror. Say simple sentences. I can do that. Open your mouth naturally. You will feel your voice becoming stronger. This is very powerful. Accent is physical. It depends on how you move your mouth. Trick 4. Understand the American T sound. This is very important. In American English, T is not always strong. Sometimes it sounds like a soft D. For example, water becomes waiter, better becomes better. City becomes city. This makes speech smooth. Practice like this. Say the word better slowly. Better. Now say it naturally. Better. Repeat many times. Use it in sentences. This is better for me. Do not change every T, only in the middle of words. At first, it feels strange. That is normal. With practice, it becomes natural. Trick 5. Use shadowing. This is one of the most powerful methods. Shadowing means speaking with the speaker at the same time. Not after, but with. Choose a short audio. Listen first. Then play it again and speak with it. Copy pronunciation, rhythm, and tone. Even if you miss some words, keep going. Repeat many times. Record your voice. Compare it. Improve it. This method trains your ears and your mouth together. It builds real speaking skills, not just theory. Trick 6. Use stress and rhythm. American English is like music. Some words are strong, some words are weak. Important words are stressed. Small words are soft. For example, I want to go to the market. Natural rhythm is I want to go to the market. Words like want and market are stronger. Practice this daily. Take a sentence. Stress important words. Repeat slowly, then say faster. Your speaking will sound more natural and confident. Trick 7. Use intonation. Intonation means your voice goes up and down. Many learners speak in a flat voice. It sounds boring. American speakers change their tone. For example, are you coming? The voice rises at the end. Practice by copying tone. Listen carefully. Repeat the same feeling. Say sentences in different emotions. Happy, serious, excited. This makes your speaking alive. Now, understand something deeply. Accent is not one thing. It is a combination. Sound, linking, rhythm, tone, and confidence. When you train all these together, your accent improves faster. Do not focus on only one part, practice all parts step by step. At this point, you may feel it is difficult. That is normal. Every learner feels this. When you learn something new, your brain and your mouth need time. Do not stop. Do not feel discouraged. Small progress every day creates big results. Let me repeat something important. Accent is not about perfection. It is about clarity and confidence. If people understand you easily, you're doing great. Do not compare yourself with others. Focus on your own progress. Now, let us create a simple daily routine. Keep it short and easy. First, listen for 5 minutes. Choose clear American audio. Focus on sound and rhythm. Second, do shadowing for 5 to 10 minutes. Repeat one short clip again and again. Third, record your voice for 2 minutes. Listen and compare. Fix small mistakes. Fourth, speak for 2 minutes. Use simple sentences. Speak freely. Do not stop. This routine is powerful. If you do this daily, you will see improvement. Consistency is the key. Do not practice one day and stop. Practice every day, even for a short time. 5 to 15 minutes daily is enough, but do it regularly. This is how real change happens. You will notice something amazing after some days. Your ears will become sharper. You will hear sounds clearly. Your mouth will become flexible. Your speaking will feel smoother. Your confidence will grow. This is the result of consistent practice. Always remember this. You do not improve your accent by watching videos only. You improve by practicing what you learn. Action creates results. Practice creates confidence. Repetition creates mastery. So start today. Do not wait. Take one trick, practice it, then add another. Step by step, you will improve. You will sound more natural. You will feel more confident. And one day, you will look back and feel proud of your progress. Keep going. Stay consistent. Believe in yourself. Your voice matters. Your English will improve, and your confidence will shine.